What are the best 5 psychology books one must have to clear any examination in India? Hello everyone, welcome back once again. You are watching Psycho Professor English, and in today's video we are going to discuss one of the best top 5 psychology books that you need to have, you must have to clear any examination in India. Alright, if you are able to understand this much English and if you are good with English, then these books are 100% accuracy, 100% you can get good marks, you can score well with the help of these 5 books. All right, so these 5 best books are recommended to all of you, and in any examination you will find questions, number of questions from these books. All right, okay, so in this video we are going to discuss completely what are these 5 books. All right, so what we will do, we will start from the very basic and then we will move on to the advanced level. All right, okay, so first of all, assuming that you know little bit about psychology, and if you don't know, it is recommended that you download or you order 11th and 12th psychology books and go through that. All right, so first of all, the basic step is 11th and 12th psychology books, which is not included in here, but these are the basic, very basic for the very basic understanding. You must read these books if you are watching this video for the very first time. All right, and if you are thorough with the 11th and 12th psychology syllabus and 11th and 12th psychology, all the data that is given in the NCRT, then moving ahead, the first book which we have is this book by Robert A. Barron and Girishwar Mishra. All right, so this is the fifth edition and this is the latest edition from these guys. This is the latest edition, and you must have this book if you are preparing for any examination in India. All right, so this is a book by Robert A. Barron, and discussing about this book is, let's take a quick review about this. So this is a general psychology book. You will find each and everything regarding psychology, the general psychology book we can say, and every topic it is covered, each and every topic is covered, right from emotion, history of psychology, and about Indian adaptation, also Indian context by Grishwar Mishra has been added in this book, as well as your all the theories of personality, intelligence, and all of these things, neuroscience and biological basis of behavior. Each and everything is included in this. So if you are very new, just you have started, then you should go with this book first of all right, so this is the first primary condition, that you must go through this book. You might not find interesting, but what it will happen eventually is, let's suppose you have to come from A to Z in psychology. All right, you have to come from point number A to point number Z. What will this book will help you is, it will tell you that okay, there is B, there is C, there is D, there is E, there is F, there is G, and likewise and X, Y, and Z. All right, so it will give you a basic general idea about all the topics that you are going to study in future, and you are going to have a good grasp on all of these. All right, so make sure this will just give you a general basic, we can say the framework. All right, so it will give the framework for you that okay, these are the topics which are very important, and moving forward you have to study these topics in deep. All right, so this is the very first recommendation, and you must go through Robert A. Barron once, so that you have a general idea about what all topics, what all insights I can gather from this particular book. All right, so this is the very first book, and now let's discuss the costing, the price for this, and the cost price for this is approximately 750 to 770 rupees. All right, so this book will cost you around 750 to 770 rupees right now when this video is being made. So this is the cost right now. Approximately it is right now rupees 768 to be exact on Amazon. So it might depending on the conditions when you are purchasing the book. So this is the general idea about, this is the approximate cost of this book, around 750 to 770. You will get it on Amazon, or you can get it from the offline market. Okay, so you can get it from the offline market as well as the link is given below in the description. You can order it from there as well. Okay, so this is the very first book, and you can do what, you can, if you want this book free of cost, then you can go to Delhi Daryaganj market, that free market, I mean not free market, but yeah, you can find the books cheaper over there, but these are some pirated ones and all like that. So just be aware what you are purchasing. Okay, so you might find the same book in 350 rupees there, but what will happen is you might have some torn pages. You might when you come to home, you might find that this is not appropriate as per your requirement. Okay, so it is suggested go to offline market, good book market, where you can find authentic books, as well as you can prefer online as well. Okay, so the link is given also in the description. Okay, moving ahead, we will move on to the next book, which is one of my favorite. Is This is the second book by Sonra K. Cesarelli, J. Nolan White, and adapted by Girishwar Mishra. So make sure that you purchase the sixth edition. All right. So when it was previously it was fifth edition. That is not included. That is not recommended right now. So you can go with the sixth edition. It has revised and updated edition with new Indian researches. All right. So you should go with this second edition by Sonra K. Cesarelli, J. Nolan White, sorry, second book in the sixth edition. Okay, so this is the book, and now what will happen in this book is now you have a hefty idea about A block, B block, C block, D block, E block, and likewise till Z. All right. So now you will start what? You will start digging in each and every block. Okay, so what necessarily helps out is when you want to gather deep knowledge, deep understanding, this book will stand out. That's why I like this book very much. For the deep understanding, each and everything is very precise, very concise, and with deep knowledge. It is in this book, particular book, which will help you eventually for questions which are framed as per NTA, as per GATE. You will be easily able to do all the questions if you have a deep understanding of these books. Okay, so for the general framework, Rabot A. Baron is recommended depending upon which exam you are giving for the general criteria. And if the exam questions are little twisted and tricky ones, then you should opt for this Sonrake Cicerelli 6th edition. Okay, so now you have know the general framework from A to Z, and now you will dig deeper and you will get knowledge about each and everything in little deep. Okay, depth understanding we can say you can get from this book. But for a general framework, Robert A. Barron is recommended. Now talking about the cost is it is little cheaper than Robert A. Barron. It is around right now when the video is made, it is around 692 rupees. So you can get around somewhere 650 to 700 depending upon what coupon are using or what you are using online offline depends upon. All right. So this is the Cesarelli book around 692 rupees, around 650 to 700 rupees you can get. You can get this from the offline market as well, and you can get from the online market as well. For the online thing, you can go down the below and all the books links are included there. All right. So you can just go one by one and order all these books if you want. If you don't want, you can prefer as per your requirement and you can order these books if you want to go with the online thing. Okay, so this is the second book for your psychology. Now we will move ahead, and what we will do, we will dig more deeper now. All right, so this is just a step of digging. We will dig more now, and what we will dig unit number 8, that is our for UGC NET psychology. Particularly this is NTA UGC NET, and that is social psychology. Okay, so whatever is mentioned or given in this book about social psychology, plus in Barron, whatever is given in these two books, now you will dig more deeper and we will move ahead to our third book, and that is this. This is Social Psychology 14th edition. This is the latest edition by Naila R. Branscombe, Robert A. Barron, adapted by Preeti Kapoor. So this is the Indian adaptation. That's why it becomes important for your Indian examination. All right, because if you are watching this video, then most probably 95% you are going to give any of the examination, academic examination, be it bachelor's, master's, or gate or net or assistant professor examination. So it will help you out. If social psychology questions, deep questions are being asked, then you can refer this book 100%. Okay, but if you jump directly to this, no, wrong answer. If you jump directly to this, it will not help you. As long as your English is good, it will help you, but if you don't have any basic knowledge, any basic framework, then it might get little difficult. All right, so if you follow the step by step, first step, then second step, and this third step, it will make your life easy. All right, if you jump directly to step C, it will get you in some trouble if your English is thoda thoda, like, so that just be aware. All right, so this book social psychology, approximately 8 9 chapters are there, 8 9 10 chapters are there, and it covers social psychology in very deep with all the researches that has happened while making these theories and all of that. And you can get all the unit 8, which is in NTA UDSNet psychology plus gate psychology as well, and social psychology syllabus is completely covered through this book. Okay, so you can prefer this. And talking about the cost, this book is again around 649 rupees, approximately 649 650. So if you want to study social psychology completely, close your eyes, order this book and go with it. Okay, social psychology will be covered with very much ease. You will not miss any of the question in your any of the examination which you are preparing for. You will not miss, never miss. Okay, so apart from just one two tricky questions, you will not miss easily any of the question that is coming in your textbook or your paper. So this is approximately around 649 rupees. So if you want, you can purchase offline as well, and for online thing you can go down below and you will find link over there. Okay, for social psychology. Now this was our third book. Now moving forward, what we have done so far is, first of all, we referred to Robert A. Barron, then we referred Cesarelli, then we referred Robert Barron again for social psychology. So what these have done is, you have a very good idea about what general psychology is now. So with general psychology, you can easily score good marks with this thing, general psychology, and with social psychology you can score good marks for social psychology. All right, what we have done so far is, all the psychology portion is covered with these books. Okay, moreover, now as we are digging deep, now what you will find out is, you will find out different books for different theories. So let's suppose for personality there is a different book, for counseling there's a different book, for social psychology there's a different book, and for each and every, for history there's a different book. So it will come likewise. All right, so when you start digging deeper, you will find out for each and everything, that is different things are coming up. Okay, different books are coming for each and everything. So just be aware. But first of all, basic requirement is Robert Barron. So why Barron necessarily comes in picture? Because it will give you a general framework, general idea about how things are going, and for your requirement of clearing the examination which you are watching this video for, so as suppose, which is your main purpose right now, so for that these books are enough. And if you want to go deeper, PhD thing and all that, so you can refer different books, and if you like, you can comment down below for part 2, and we will like to discuss those books as well. And now this is our fourth book for your AK Singh, for your research, test, measurement and research methods in behavioral sciences. If you do this book completely, right from the start, page 1 to page whatever it is, XYZ. So if you do this thoroughly, completely, your testing part will be covered, your measurement part will be covered, your research method part will be covered, what is design, what is variable, each and everything is mentioned in this video very precisely and concisely, so you can rely completely on this, and it will give you also a general framework. Okay, so the research is not just this only. Yeah, for exam point of view this is enough, but this is just a general framework of research and testing and all of that. Okay, so you can do what thing, you can online order or you can offline order, whatever you want. Okay, so this book is the fourth recommendation. And now moving ahead, the fifth book, whatever you are looking over here, test, item writing, item analysis and all these things, measurement, reliability, validity. And for that, if you want to dig deeper, then this is the book Psychological Testing by Annie Anastasi and Susanna Urbina. This is the 7th edition. I guess 1997 was the last it was published. So you can find this psychological testing book. And for AK Singh, whatever is mentioned in testing portion, whatever is mentioned, it is taken from this book. Okay, so what will happen, give you a general framework and will give you a detailed idea, detailed analysis of what things are happening, how things are happening. Okay, so if you want, if you like psychological testing and all of these things, how a test is made and what all is there, you can refer to. So if you like testing so much, you can refer to this book as well. Okay, so talking about the cost, it is around approximately, right now it is going some prime deal and all, so it is just for 578 rupees, and if you purchase later on, it will be around 700, 780 something. Okay, so if you want to dive deep in psychological testing, then you can refer to this book. All right, okay, so these are the top 5 book recommended, top 5 psychology books that one must have if they are interested in psychology and they want to study psychology for their betterment, for their high score, for their top score, and for their knowledge. So what are these 5 books? Let's quick recap. First of all, Robert A. Barron. Second, Cesarelli. Third one was your social psychology thing, and fourth was your research method testing, and fifth was your Anastasian Urbina. So this research methods testing part is covered from where? From Anastasian Urbina. So this will give you a general framework about testing, and this will dig you will start digging deep in testing. All right, so these are the 5 books. You can order it offline from, if you're from your offline market, you can go and purchase, have a look how the book is, if you're from Delhi, Mumbai or any tier 1, tier 2 cities. And if you're from tier 3, tier 4 cities, or you are don't want to go outside because it's rainy season, then you can prefer what, you can prefer for the online thing, online platform, and the links are given below in the description. So if you want, you can order it from there as well. All right, okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure that you like the like button and you share with your psychology friends if they want to study, they want to know the best books, in the market. It's just that you don't know, you don't have the knowledge right now, but yeah, eventually you will have the immense knowledge which these books are carrying. Okay, all right. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you want anything commenting on these books, are they helpful? They help you or not, or what not? You can comment down below in the comment section. And if you want part two of this, we will make a part two of this. But make sure that you comment part two. And in the next video, we will start from this. Is this helpful? Yes or no? उनका बेस